Good morning, guys. Welcome to the channel. It's Charles again. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install blue LED dash cluster lights in the first gen Eclipse. They're probably going to look pretty cool with the blue gauges and then the floor lights that I got going on. So to get this guy off here, there's actually 6 Phillips head screws just around and underneath. There's a couple under here and then a couple up under here. And then to get the actual gauge cluster out, there's 4 additionals, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then you just pull it because it just plugs straight into the back of the firewall. Those 2 plugs right there, it just presses in there with this spring. It's spring loaded. So yeah, we went ahead and took all that off. If you flip your gauge cluster over, there's going to be these little lights here. What you do, start in the middle, just basically twist, push and twist, and then you pull them out just like that. So this is going to be the old stock, yellow orangish looking light, and we're going to be putting in these blue LEDs. Sorry for the shakiness here. Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing, put it back in the exact same way that it came out, but I pay attention to where the prongs are on the sides. If you can see right there, there's a prong, and right on this side there's a prong. Those you want to be on this, you can kind of see where the last one where I took it out, it scratched that copper. You want it to be in contact with that, otherwise it won't work. It says when you buy these that, if it's not working, then just flip them over 180 degrees and then try it again. But basically, yeah, as long as you have those prongs in contact with that, it doesn't even have to be screwed in all the way. It should be good. Actually, that one, the prong, looks like it just barely touches on both sides. Let's show you. Yeah, you can see where it's etching in on either side. So the way that I put this one in just now should be totally fine. But just to, make this process a little easier, I'm going to go ahead and plug it back in. I did have to drop my steering wheel all the way down to get this out, just letting you know. So let's push this guy back in here. Come on, buddy. There it is. Okay, so I pressed that in there. I'm gonna go ahead and, there was 2 electrical clips here. Go to your controls here on the side. You have to unplug those to take that cover off, obviously. But what we're gonna do, wipers are on because of that, is see what happens when I turn this on. Is it blue? It's so bright in here, it's really hard to tell. Huh. Well, I guess I'll just show you the end product when I get finished. That's basically it, though. I'll pull this back off. Let's see here. Oh, probably want to turn the car off again. Okay, come on. There she is. Okay, so we got that out again. And then basically all these bigger green ones are the ones that you're going to replace. They're going to give you exactly the number of them at 2, 4, 6, 9. So we'll go ahead and keep doing this. When they came, I had to put the blue part in this little black under part, but that's no big deal. It just pushes right in there. I did it with my nails on the side so that I don't mess with anything. Okay, so that one looks like it's going to contact good. we will twist her and take this guy out. And I always keep like I did this in my 1-ton Chevy. I keep the old bulbs. A few of them had burnt out, so those ones obviously I threw away. But like, if one of these decides to burn out, or you know, for whatever reason I need to replace them, I don't want to go spend money on just, you know, a regular stock one like that. Is kind of lame. So I just keep them laying around just in case. Start pulling these out quicker. Come back in. Oh wait. Okay. So they didn't give me as many as I had thought. No big deal. You just gotta choose which ones you're gonna use. Yeah, so those bottom two down here are probably dummy lights. I don't think I need to put the LEDs in there. I think they're meant for the actual gauges, which would be these two here, I believe. These two, and then these ones over here. Another example of why you want to keep your stock bulbs. Okay. Put those back in there, and of course we're going to test it and make sure everything looks good. If we misplaced some of the blue ones or something, we can just replace them where they're supposed to go. Okay. Jeez, it's so bright outside today. Really should get my sun visor up so I can see what the heck is going on, or pull in the garage or something. Oh, what the heck was that? One of them just fell out. That's not good. Make sure they're in there, guys. Turn pretty hard. Okay. No, now they're all in there. I feel like... Okay, yeah, see, I just found out. These two up here, this one and this one, look like they're for the turning signals. So, we're going to go ahead and put the stock bulbs back in there, because I think these holes over here are, I had it correct there for the speedometer or oil pressure, or one of the two, I don't know. So that one and this one, we've got to put the stock bulbs back in. Okay. Boom. I feel like that should be good. I'll show you the end result.